Good morning students. We were doing chapter 6 of civics political parties. In previous lecture beta we have read about the party systems found in whole world. So there are three party system. Okay. So now question arises, which party system is best? Which party system is ideal? One party system, two party system or multi party system? It cannot be said better. It cannot be judged at all because it depends upon many factors कि which party system will suits to any particular country. It depends upon many factors. First factor is it depends upon the nature of the society. Second, it depends upon the regional and social divisions of the society. Ki society is having more social and regional region divisions or less. Okay. Then third is history of the politics. Ki which type of government is preferred by the people like monarchy system or democracy, yani history of the politics, what is the history of the politics of that country. And then next is beta it's a system of elections, which type of election is adopted in the country. So all these factors will combinedly responsible for the failure or the success of any party system in any country. For example, in India has adopted multi-party system because multi-party system is adopted because the social and geographical diversity of a large country like India cannot be absorbed in one party or two party system. It can be absorbed only by multi-party system because there is need to give equal representation to all caste people, all religion people in politics. So that's why India has adopted the multi-party system. So hence we can say no party system is ideal for all countries and all conditions. Now second topic is why India has adopted multi-party system. Why India has not adopted one party system or two party system? There are three reasons for it. First is India is having so much social and geographical diversity, region diversity, है ना. So this type of diversity can be absorbed only and only by the multi-party system. It cannot be absorbed by one party or two party system. Second thing is कि multi-party system was needed to accommodate the vast population. Area is vast, population is vast, side by side so much diversity, linguistic diversity, regional diversity, है ना. So to accommodate every type of diversity, only multi-party system is good for the India. Third is multi-party system ensured a healthy competition. You know beta, India is the best democratic country in the world, largest democratic country in the world. So for such a country where the political parties should have fair competition, in this type of system multi-party system will be the best system. Okay, so now today's next topic is beta kinds of political party or types of political parties. Beta there are two types of political parties. Okay, and you know beta federal countries are having political party. So there are two types of political parties in federal countries. First political party is that party which is active only in one unit of the federal nation, yani which is active only in one state, that is known as a state political party. Second type of political party is beta the political party which is active in whole federation or which is active in several federal units. Those are called national political parties. Okay, so beta in India every political party has to register with Election Commission of India. Then Election Commission of India is giving them some particular symbols, and that symbol can be used by that party members only. Other political parties cannot use that symbol. For example, lotus is the symbol of BJP, and who can use lotus symbol in election? Only the official members of BJP. No other candidate can use the lotus symbol as election symbol. It is illegal. Okay, so in according to 2019 data in India, there are total beta 8 national political parties and 52 state political parties, and total 2598 parties are registered with the Election Commission of India. So types of parties we were doing. So in short or in simple language we can say there are two types of party in India. First is state political parties or regional political parties, and second is national political parties. Let us start with the first one, state political parties. So state political party is that party beta which secures at least 6% of the total votes in the state assembly elections. And second condition is and win at least 2 seats in the state legislative assembly elections. If a party is able to complete these conditions, then that party will be referred as a state political party. There are 52 state political parties in India. For example, Shiromani Akali Dal is famous state political party of Punjab. Assam Gan Parishad is famous political party of Assam. Okay, और हमारे हरियाणा की famous political party है इनेलो, Indian National Lok Dal. JJP is also new political party of Haryana. Okay, so this was your state political party. Second is national political party. What are the conditions to become the national political party? A party that secures the at least 6% of the total votes in the Lok Sabha election. In the Lok Sabha elections. Second, it must win the elections in 4 states at least. In 4 states at least. Then it at least should win the 4 seats in the Lok Sabha. If the party is able to fulfill these conditions, then it will be referred as national political party. For 2014 election beta, there were 7 national political parties. Okay, and during those elections, 1 new political party was formed. For 2019 election beta, there were 7 national political parties, and 7th national political party which was made new political party was beta All India Trinamool Congress, AITC, which was established in 1998, and its chairperson is Ms. Mamata Banerjee, and it became national political party in 2016. Yani in 2019 elections there were 7 national political parties, and now at present, according to 2019 data, there are 8 national political party, which is newly made national party, that is your beta NPP, National People's Party, is 8th national political party, and this party is the main party of Meghalaya. Its main influence is in Meghalaya, and it is the first party of Northeast which is referred as national political party, and its founder was P.S. Sangma. Okay, and in 7 June 2019, it became the national political party. So this was all about your state political parties and national political parties. In next lecture we will read in detail all the national political parties and the state political parties. Goodbye.